Hello world, Mouseborg here. So for Pride Month 2025, I have decided to do something very clever and yet very stupid, maybe. So there's this library called SAF, short for Small Abstract Fish, created by Drummyfish. Now, SAF is a public domain library, that cross-platform library that allows you to make games. Excuse me, I'm kind of trying to do a couple of things at once. Okay, so let's see here. Where are you? Okay, let dude steal. So, now. Okay, so what's my deal then? Okay, where's the clever part and where's the stupid part? If you don't know this, Drummyfish is a queerphobe. Now, the stupid part that I don't grasp is that he has a philosophy that is about love, and yet he spreads hate. Like, it makes no fucking sense. Like, he claims that he loves everyone. Like, love in the sense of, like, just don't mind me. However, like, he condemns the LGBTQ community. Yeah, he thinks LGBTQ is a movement, not a community. That immediately tells me he has no idea what he's talking about. Because, in my opinion, if you say LGBTQ is a movement instead of a community, in my opinion, that just proves either A, there's something going on that I don't know about, which in my opinion is unlikely, or you don't know jack shit about the LGBTQ community. Now, why am I choosing SAF if Drummyfish is a queerphobe? Now, one, even though Drummyfish is a fucking moron, he does have pretty valid points. There are some things I agree with, there are some things I don't agree with, like, again, the queerphobia. No, I didn't mean, well, crap, I'm gonna need to look at the readme in order to figure out what the hell I'm doing. Why? Because I'm an idiot. Let's see here, what line? Yeah. C interface for programming mainly small games that will run on many small gaming consoles. And not to use this if you're creating something, so tutorial. Okay, so that's funny to rename. So, I'm gonna see if I can code while I'm talking. And don't mind me. So... So the reason why I chose SAS specifically is because, well, writing a program to spread love using a library by someone who is spreading hate, whether they realize it or not, is a quite fitting contrapasso for said person who unknowingly spreads hate. I'm willing to go out on him and say that he's just freaking stupid. But yeah, quite poetic. If you, yeah, quite poetic that a library written by a guy who dislikes the LGBTQ community is being used for a project for, like, to spread love. Quite fitting contrapasso, ain't it? Yeah, you can tell I am enjoying every last bit of this. Dryfish does have his valid points. I mean, you can go through it all if you want. I'm not gonna leave. Like, you saw what I typed. You can see what I typed in. Alright, let's see here. Is there anything mentioned about, like, how do I draw a pixel? How do I draw a pixel? I think I'm just going to yoink. Test. Okay, so here we go. Let's see here. I'm just gonna tell it F so tell it to do that. So to start off, what I'm going to do is make it, like, draw a... Just draw a 7-stripe rainbow flag. So here, 64 by 64, so... So let's see here, it looks like X, 0, 0. Just to start with a basic, so let's see here, so let's go with, let's see here, 63, hang on. 9. Okay, so let's see here, so we're going to go to 62, 9, and SAF, color red, test it. That's the wrong terminal. That is the wrong terminal. Space. Sorry. Okay, so let's just test to make sure I'm on the right track. Like, just to start off, maybe I'll try to make it look like it's waving or something. We'll just go from there. I mean, he's not getting any money from this, so... Undefined reference to What? Oh, I'm stupid. That is implemented inside the SAF library. Together form a source code that can be compiled. What? Oh, where the hell did it go? There you are. It would help if I hit the save button. Okay. That kinda... Okay. Progress, progress, progress. Oh, I have an idea. Let's use a pinch of intelligence. And, let's see here. Oh, duh, I'm a dumbass. Okay. You int 8t colors 7 equals SAF color red SAF color orange. You know, I'm doing this and I don't even know what colors the blasted thing has. I'm sorry, just I figured out it would be fun for me to record this process because okay, so yeah, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. No purple though. Well, no, neither indigo nor violet. Okay, okay, we can make this work. We can make this work. Indigo color code. I have my phone with me. Why I'm not doing it on... whatever, I got a bunch of crap that... I just got a bunch of crap that, Okay, where did... I'm a dumbass. Yes, I use Linux Mint. Yes, I use... Okay, so I know... No, so that I can actually see what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, so that I can actually see the list. SAF, color green. Yeah, I thought it would be fun to show everyone, like, what I'm doing. And now for the fun ones. Because for whatever reason... Okay, so it looks like we have SAF. Color. RGB. OX. 4B. 0. 0x. 82. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is working. There's indigo. Violet. Okay, so SAF, color, RGB. Yeah, sorry it takes so long. X, 8F, 0, 0X, FF. Just leave a comma there in case. Let's see here. 4. Uint 8T. That's not how it is. I equals... Wait, no, what the hell am I doing? That's not how that works. Crap. Yeah, in school, the friggin' one of the computer science classes made us use Java. I'm not a big fan of Java. I forgot that I don't think you can... I'm not going to try it. 0. 4. Oh. Well, I mean, I'm going to declare it as... in here. For I equals 0. I is less than... Define number of colors to 7. There. Colors. Ooh. 0. Let's see. Let's turn it into 9 times I. No. That's not the one I need. 9 times I. 62. Over to 62. 9 times I plus 1. And then save. Control X. No, Control Z. I'm a dumbass. Come on. Oh, duh. I'm a dumbass. I'm a roll dumbass. Thank you. Huh? Oh, I'm a dumbass. That would have been very helpful if I actually roll Z. Here's the controls. How many of these things are running around? Oh, I'm a moron. Yeah, force quit. Now, why isn't it? Yeah, it starts from 0, and then from 9. Width. Alright, what the hell? Alright, fine, because I can't figure... Let's try it like this, because for some stupid reason. Okay, let's try it like that, smart ass. Where the fuck? There we go. That works. Wait. 9 times... 62... Oh, I'm a moron. Oh, that's 60... Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so there's a single pixel running down there. Huh. You wait for 62. Width. Oh, because it indicates width and height. That answers that question. Die. Hmm. Let's make it 64. Define. height to be, let's go with 8. There. Width, well shoot, I'm a fucking moron. I can probably get away with turning, let's try turning this back. 4, let's see here, I equals 0, plus, yeah, okay, there we go. There, that way I don't have to play with that half a dozen times. Yeah, because that's looking a bit too... Yeah, the bars are looking a bit too chunky for my taste. Yeah, still a bit too chunky. Too chunky for my taste, especially when we start to have it waving. When we start to have it waving, that's when... That's when things are gonna get interesting when this starts waving. I'll eventually get it up and running and all that good shit. I'll have it up on Codeberg once I'm done with... Can probably come down a pinch more. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Wait. Wait, 38? Okay, hang on. I'm looking this up. Oh, I'm a moron. Or have I not seen the... Displayed as horizontal stripes, red, and violet at the bottom. Rainbow flag. Oh wait, the common... Notable variations. That's right. Flag. Move. Yeah, the Progress Pride. I could do a Progress Pride flag, maybe. But either way, it still uses like six colors. The most popular variation uses 6, not 7. I'm a dumbass. So no, I don't need... Let me also give an indicator as to what the hell this is. Fuck. How the hell do I do comments again? Oh, slash. Oh, double slash. and the number of colors is actually 6. Okay, so you... Come on. Did I not save it? Why do I keep forgetting to save it? Yeah, okay, take... Fuck. Okay, progress. Turquoise. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so hang on. Do we have a draw polygon? Do we have a draw polygon? Draw image compressed. Oh shit. Oh shit. If I do the... No, never mind. Actually, I'll... Yeah. Okay, hang on. Where? Okay, draw a pixel to... Do not use in programs. Drawings only. Okay, so... Draw image compressed. Draw image. Draw text. Okay. Say if draw text. Also, just for shits and giggles. Let's see here. That's probably gonna take up... Hold it. Let's see here. That's probably gonna take up... Let's see here. Each one takes up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's see here. 18 times 4... 72. Damn it. Ooh. Let's try doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 4 is 48. 16. 2. So let's see here. So let's start with 8. The upper left corner. Let's see here. It takes up 48 pixels at least at like a size of like 1 pixel. Let's see here. Where would I want to plop it down at again? So let's see here. So let's go with 30. So that's right smack in the center. SAF color white. And 1 to stat. Well, after I close you off. Oh, okay. I see. There we go. There we go. And you never cease to amaze me. I have no idea why I expected nothing less. Let's try again. Over here, dumbass. Oh, I've probably lost. Damn it. I keep forgetting about the freaking padding. There's like about a pixel of padding that I forgot to factor in. And it doesn't freaking wrap. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. Because you want to be a real pain in my ass. Happy. Move you. Let's see here. So there's like. Let's see here. There's like 9. Like, let's see here. 5 times 4. So that'd be 24. 24. Let's see here. 6. 40. So 20. 20. Let's move you up actually. 4. Let's move you up to 25. SAF. Draw. Text. Probably bored most people by now. Pride Month. That contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see here, so 12. Let's see here, 12 times 4 plus 11 equals 59. 64 minus 59 equals 5. I'm just going to set you at 0, 30, SAF, color, white, 1. Save. I'm just gonna lop off that and be done with it. Yeah, to make it wave. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to have a counter. Int 8t. Let's see here. Let's see here. A counter for it to like wave and shit. Harvard? I thought it was Harvard. Whatever. What the hell am I doing? Oh yeah, let's see here. So I'm trying to figure out. I'm just gonna name it C to make it simple. Because I really don't give a fuck. There we go. Initialize C, use of SIF int. That's not the style. Yes, I have a weird ass. That's programming style. Bite me. Yes, it is roughly inspired by Lisp. I actually use it for like the freaking Java code. For like that freaking computer science class. So let's see here. Let's switch it to call. Get ready for when. Oh wait, yeah. Int 8t underscore, please, x. I think that's fitting. 4. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and switch that to line. Go ahead and switch that to line. Okay, so I'm not gonna have a surprise. So draw a line. For x equals 0, x is less than width Okay, so next, so let's see here. So I need to figure out. So draw a line. Actually, we're going to sit here and do X while I'm at it. No. Seize the counter, seize the counter. Pay attention. So, X. So, let's see here. So, X. Yeah, X, we can leave that alone. See here, Y is, let's see here. So, the Y1. So, we have free plus height times the color. X. Let's get rid of that before it bites me in the ass. Height. So we have free plus height times col plus sine C. Wait, is that the correct? I know there is a sine and cosine running around here. Can't remember where the hell it's at. X plus C. That kind of looks like it's rippling shit. Can't remember what the gun. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. Height. Let's see here. So we're gonna do it in the same spot. Plus. Okay, so it's okay. So let's see here. So we have. So we want to go down. SAF underscore sine. Figuring out what the hell it's gonna do. Because X, it runs to like 64 or some shit. I want to make it so that I kind of 64 X. So the divisor is. Here will help. Oh wait. 256 over width. Okay, so I don't have. I'm going to lop those down. Stupid? Maybe. There. Damn it. Well, I can probably pre-compute uint 8t. Yeah, I've kind of looked at SAF a little bit before. Equals. Let's extract this out. So you control X. H plus. Oh yeah, we've established that this is actually 256 over, because it spits out. Oh wait, it spits out. So let's switch it to uint 8t divided by w. Okay, so now we have. Let's see, so start at x h. Free h. So we have like some colors and the height. Let's see here. I want it to go. Oh. I think that should work. Yeah, because it would drag it down, like, because that sets up, like, where it's going to be, like where we're gonna start, and we're just going to go down H. More. So, color plus 1. Alright, this might work. You shush. Just for the moment. Oh, what the hell? Oh, duh, I'm a dumbass. That was definitely not what I meant. Oh, I know what I did. I know what I did. Let's say 64. I know exactly how I screwed up. Okay, that's a whole lot more. That is a lot more. make it go a pinch fast. Actually. Actually, hold it. Hold it. There we go. Save. Let's make it go a pinch faster. Let's bump it up by 4. And drop it down. Let's drop it down to 8. 8. That's not how that works. Since it has the same number of characters. Let's see. 35. SAF, color white. One. Hopefully something stupid doesn't crop up. I am wanting to temper that white because it's not cropping up well. Well, I mean, I can move it a pinch further down. Let's drop it to 10. Let's drop it down to 10. Where's the list of the colors? Where are you? Color. Where in the hell are you? A color. Am I that stupid? Yes, I am that stupid. So that's more readable. And save. I still want 8. Save. You're probably wondering, why aren't you looking at the documentation? Do you see any documentation? Literally, the only documentation is like doxygen. Like if you want documentation, you have to attack it with freaking doxygen. Or whatever the hell that newfangled crap is. Yes, I'm literally a decade younger than Drummyfish. And I'm already yelling at kids to get off my damn lawn. Because that's just how it works. What the hell did... Oh, damn it. Okay, do I actually need this anymore? No. I don't think I recompiled it. I'm a dumbass. That doesn't work either! Okay, let's make this... Okay, maybe let's make it a dark green. That can get the hell out of my face. Maybe a darker green, because that's... Look at the prime logo. Yeah, that's too bright a green. I'm a dumbass. Hide loot. Green underscore dark. Save. Da da da. Of course, I don't have to use SDL2, but that's what I have up on here. That's what I have installed. I forget what all I can use. Where the? Oh, SDL2, CSFML, and scripting, X11, and curses, Pokedo, Arduo Boy, Gamebuino, ESP Boy, the Circuit Miss, Nibble, and Ringo, and also apparently. Oh, shit, well, that probably wouldn't work in, like, literally anything that doesn't have color. But, oh, what the hell? Alright, fine. I'll play it like this. Save. Just want to get it to look right. Oh my god. Or I could use different colors. White. Wait, I got it. Oh wait, there's no pink. You use white up top. Use like a brown. I'm trying to figure this out. Well, I mean, that could work. Okay, so I'm gonna have to... Pride in a space eats up... Let's see here. So I have to add... 29. So I have to move it over 29 and add 1. Alright, 29. No, 30. 30. Let's see if I can make this work. I can make this work. Shh. Oh wait, we don't have a pink. We have neither the... Hold your horses. What? find the color of the pink. I'll figure something out. Color codes. My phone right here. Okay, so light blue, that would be. I think pink, that would be. Yeah, RGB. I was on the right track. 0xF5, 0xA9, 0xB8. I will figure this out. F. Draw text. Okay, so let's see here. SAF, color, while I'm thinking about it. There we go. Color, RGB. What are you doing? Oh, wait, duh. Okay, so 0x5b, 0xce, 0xfa, 1. Okay, save. Okay, to be honest, I was expecting a darker brown. Let me try something. Brown, color, code. I was honestly expecting a darker brown. Okay, so... $50, 5, 0, and that does not look pink. That does not look pink. I don't like. Maybe darken? No. No, the pink doesn't. The pink doesn't need to be darkened. The pink doesn't need to be darkened. The blue, like the light blue, looks about okay. F7. Here's the problem. Yeah, that looks too much of a peach color instead of, like, the pink I was going for. Okay, I'm going to try throwing this color I found. I'm not gonna bother with that. It's mainly, like, the top part that's important. Because, like you can see, like right over here, like, how it gets computed. Like, it's got... Like, this second digit, it's not gonna freaking matter. I just sat here realizing that most people are probably not interested in... Probably have no idea. Basically... Like, crap. A9. So, let's see here. So we have... Let's try... 7-6. Save. Let's try that. If I... Now that looks about right. That looks about like the right colors. Oh wait. Hang on, I found... 9, 1, 5. X 9. So X 1 5. I wouldn't think. Save. So let's try this combination. Da ba 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 ba. Okay, that works. But I got... How did I fail to notice that until now? How did I fail to notice that until now? Just the spacing a pinch more. So here the word. Let's see here. So again, let's see here. 5 times 4. Let's see here. 24. 40. Let's adjust this here to 40. In case you haven't figured it out, I'm very freaking picky. Over here. Da-da-da. At this point, I'm just freaking fine-tuning. Too far. Too freaking far. Over here. Da, almost done. Now I'm just being really freaking nitpicky. Let's make it go a bit faster. Let's make it go a bit faster. Well, it's not, well, it wasn't exactly the waving flag I was looking for, but oh well. Yep, that works. I'm satisfied. I wonder if I can make it... The fuck did I just witness? Oh, wait. I guess I am going to have to just deal with that. A bit slower than... Let's test it, because I just noticed... Oh, wait, because it's not like a perfect... Like, it's not like a perfect power of 2. The whole thing is just not gonna sit correctly. Because computers use powers of 2, so if I don't use a power of 2 in like the sine function, it's... What the fuck did I just witness? Why is it doing that? I don't like it. I wouldn't fit... Like, am I just losing my mind? Or did I just see it? No. And I have no idea how the hell to... Because it's mainly in this here. It's wreaking havoc. Like, it's now jittering like a freaking... Like, for the sake of argument, let's just say that x is 0, so c times 8. Since the sine function that SAF provides, like, it divides the rotation into 256 pieces. So, if I want it to do a proper rotation, I'm going to keep it at... Like, it's largely powers of 2 here. It's like largely powers of 2 here. Like, looking at powers of 2 here. So, it's like, it shouldn't... Yeah, did you all see that? Like, is it just me, or I give up. I'm done. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal. But... oh well. Oh well. I think I can make it, like, spit out, like, a GIF or some shit. Hang on. Pride is H. Yeah, blah, 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 do. I swear there's a way to save. Swear this thing provides a way to save. There's a way to save GIFs. I swear. I swear there is. No, just take screenshots. Damn. Well, I'll figure out how to make a record. Well, I could just use the software I have. How long has it been? Whatever. I could, use the software I have. Just open up the window and, freaking record it. Duh. That would have made sense. Record as an MKV, turn it into a GIF somehow with FFmpeg, and then be done with it. Yeah, because, not everyone wants to listen to me ramble and shit, and, fumble and dick off, but, Still, it was a fun project. Alright. Ieho koko kuroji.